The other go-kart. Right. You want to see what kind it is? I don't know what kind it is. Let's see. And the engine is locked. Lock this engine. I got everything on it though. Sparking and stuff. Seat's not in bad shape. But we better. I found the problem with this engine right here. The screw. So I kept on grabbing on that magneto and then locking. It's free now. Free. So I'm gonna pull this screw up. I don't know how they lift this screw up in there. That's the problem with this right here. Back when you started, I had to clean this carburetor. It's dirty. But got it running. Run good. Yeah, we just put this engine on here. We just hooked the throttle cable up. We're gonna finish tightening this tank down because it's loose. And fire it up. Just run and adjust the throttle and stuff. Yeah, this engine ran pretty good. It ran pretty good on the ground and stuff. It's kind of wet today. Just trying to finish it up. I'll do a test run with me on a small go-kart. Let's see. Now we still got the boat. It's wrench. I'll tighten up the down. I need to tighten up this tire too. Just make sure everything's squared away first before I tighten up everything. We're gonna tighten this gas tank up and start it up and see how the throttle is and go from there. We're not gonna ride it right now. It's raining right now. Be back with a little startup. Ready for this startup. Let's turn the switch on. Choke it first. Turn on this gas. Choke it. Take it off this thing. Sure. That's good. Ready to go. It's that clutch though, you hear it. It's tight too. You gotta loosen up the chain loosen up. It's tight. Tighten up on the move. That's how I like it right there. So it won't snap. It'll have some kind of slack up in the chain. We'll be back when we do a little ride along. Running. Another problem, the bearing. We'll fire straight up. It's loose. So it fell straight up. The other one I tore up too. So missing a little ball bearing, so we're gonna switch these out. This right here, we're gonna check the other side too and see. I like to check everything and make sure, because flying down the street and this dang tire mess up, it'll be on you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we're doing this right here. We'll be back.